This demo showcases Link Finder AI, a powerful B2B data enrichment tool designed to streamline lead discovery and contact information retrieval. You'll see how it offers cost-effective alternatives to competitors while providing comprehensive enrichment features. I am on the Casper.io website. I can go check their pricing plans. If we go monthly for $59 per month, you get up to 100 phone credit and 5 direct email credits. Clicking the link to access Link Finder AI, a B2B data enrichment API for sales teams. Switching to the Link Finder AI homepage to explore its features and pricing. Clicking the $sign to view detailed pricing starting at $29 per month. Clicking to select the output type from options including LinkedIn profile data, phone number, and email address. Filling the selection with the desired output type for data enrichment. Clicking Enrich Data to start gathering information based on the selected parameters. Profile data found including LinkedIn URL and email address sarah.johnson@salesforce.com. Clicking to select output type for another enrichment request. Filling the output type field to specify the data to retrieve. Clicking Enrich Data to process the new data request. Profile data found including LinkedIn URL and phone number plus 13175002454. Clicking Upload CSV to enrich multiple leads in bulk. Clicking Select File to choose the CSV file containing lead information. Clicking to select the output type for bulk data enrichment. Clicking Process 3 items to start bulk data enrichment. Clicking LinkedIn URL to specify the data column for enrichment. Clicking Export to download the enriched lead data for further use. Clicking API Access to manage integration and authentication settings. Clicking View API Docs to explore available API endpoints and usage instructions. Clicking B2B Data Lookup to review API capabilities for business data retrieval. Clicking B2B Data Lookup again to examine detailed API documentation. Clicking Company Enrichment to learn about company data enrichment features. Clicking Quick Start to make your first API call in under 2 minutes with a single endpoint and credit system.